Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Tony, and today's video is going to be a lot shorter, probably about like 5-10 minutes. I don't know yet. It depends on how long I talk about this. But today's video is actually going to be a video about my hair, and not in the sense of my hair, but my hair that I bought. Okay. Contrary to what everyone believes, because I've been getting a lot of compliments on my hair and how nice it looks, this is not my hair. This is a crochet. And it's like, this was my first time actually doing a crochet. So trust me, I was scared because I was like, how am I gonna braid this to where it blends in and it looks natural? But like, everyone's been telling me that it looks natural, so I think I did a pretty good job. And I kind of didn't go along with the YouTube videos, because when people do the tutorials for their crochets, they do like 10 braids, and I only did like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 braids. I only did 6 braids, and like most of these braids, like the amount of hair that's tied into the braids is so uneven, but like when it spreads out, like it covers everything. And the hair that I bought, I have my laptop right here. The hair that I bought is called the Eunice Crochet Spiral Curl. It's a 20-inch, and it's called the Tonie Curl. And it was, let's see, for 3 bundles, because when they send it to you, they send you 3 bundles, and it should be enough. It was enough for me, so I don't know if how much or how many bundles another person would need, but it was $35 off Amazon. And honestly, this is not the look that I was going for. It is a nicer look, but I was going for a longer look. And in reading the instructions or the tutorial that another girl had put, because this look was inspired by someone else, she actually kind of, to elongate the curls, she dipped them in hot water just to let the curls stretch out, and like her results were so nice. And then she had them in a gray, and I think I'm gonna want to do the gray. I was just testing the black out first just to see if this is what I wanted. And it's like, it's not bad hair, it's like really nice hair. Like, but my thing is, I don't know how to keep protective styles in for a long time. Like, it's been like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and like I'm ready to take it out, do something new. I don't know, I'm very experimental. But if you guys do want to purchase this hair, it's $35 if it comes, but you guys know how shipping is on Amazon. You pay like, I think $35. You pay that much on Amazon, and the shipping is free. I don't know. But crocheting, getting into the crocheting thing, it is so easy. It is so efficient. Like, it took me an hour and a half to do my hair, and it usually takes me so much longer. Like, when I was done, I did this little happy dance, but it wasn't this, because I can't dance, so I did something along the lines of a dance. It was, the hair is like, it lasts, and it's 20 inches. I don't know, I've been like trying to figure out if you can actually see this. Like, it stretches out to 20 inches. And I've been like kind of wondering if you can actually get something to straighten the hair. But I don't know, straighten crochet looks look very weird to me, so I wouldn't try it. I feel like more natural crochet looks like this, like, it's easier to do and they look better. See, braids, but they blend. And this is what I've been doing. It's like, I like this look because I can just lay down and then wake up for work the next morning, do this, and then be ready to go. That's like an extra whole, like a whole extra 10-15 minutes cut out of my schedule for getting ready for work. And I honestly love it. Of course, I am oiling my scalp every other day, or something close to that, like every 3 days. Like, I have to oil my scalp today. But Christmas is kicking my butt. So, I don't know. I might do something else, because I want to do another hairstyle before Christmas comes. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to Because it's just like, you gotta go Christmas shopping, you gotta work. And I have to work Christmas Eve and Christmas because I work at the airport. The airport never sleeps. There's no day off at the airport. There's no day where they just close the airport and let all the employees sleep. No. The airport is open all day, every day, 365, 24/7. But for like, I feel like for me working at the airport, this is the best type of thing because it's like, when do I have time to actually do something nice to my hair? That's why most of, like, my other videos, my hair have been, my hair has been out or like in a puff or deep conditioned because I never have any time to do anything remotely done to my hair. So I feel like crochet, I think from now on I might start doing crochet. I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna say that because there are certain things that I feel like hairstyle wise should not be crocheted. But this is like, I'm gonna say 10 out of 10. Yes, 10 out of 10. And then they send you hair jewelry. They send you the crochet hook. All of that comes in the package, the $35 package, all of that. But I don't understand what the hair jewelry was for because, like, I tried to put it on there and then it just kind of clumped the hair up and made it look smaller. But yeah, if you guys want something that looks natural and like is very easy to do, I would definitely recommend this. And they have them in all kinds of colors. They have them in the gray, like I said. They have them in like a burgundy color. I know a lot of people like that burgundy color in their hair, so it comes in a burgundy color. So this is the hair. That's what it looks like before it's separated. I guess she didn't separate it, but mine, what you guys saw with mine is like completely separated because I didn't want that type of hairstyle. And it shows you all of this, and they show that it comes with a crochet hook and 5 little hair jewelry pieces. Again, I don't understand. And they also have the sizes. You can do 10 to 20 inches, and also they have 10 different colors. I did not notice that it was 10 colors, but yes, it comes in 10 different colors. You got black, brown, a darker brown, I guess, the burgundy colors here, this ombre kind of style, another one, gray, and like an ombre gray and an ombre burgundy. So yeah, if you guys like it, I would definitely suggest buying it because it is like, it looks so natural when everything's set. See, it looks like when it's separated all the way out, it looks like really natural. And it like, when I took it down the first time, it was kind of big, but then it kind of shrunk because I'm weird. I don't know. I like to spray my leave-in conditioner in my weave too in this so that it's not like dry. That is one thing I will say, the hair is kind of dry. So if you guys have anything to do with it, like to put moisture in the hair, I would definitely suggest put like moisturizing it, because even my boyfriend was just like, yeah, the only thing that I would see wrong with it is that it's dry. So yeah, that was it. If you guys liked it, definitely invest in it because I'm buying more, but I'm gonna buy it gray, and I'm actually gonna do the thing where she dipped the hair into the boiling water and I'm gonna stretch your curls, and I will do the tutorial for that. It's just doing the tutorial for this, I was so tired, and then it was already dark, and I use natural light for my videos, so if it is dark, I cannot film. There's no way that I can film. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next video.